Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. These are 3 LED flashlights that I'm going to show you how bright they are and compare them. This one I got a couple of years ago. It's called Tech Light. I got it at Costco. I got a package of 4 of them for about, I want to say $16. This one is a Duracell. I also got at Costco a package of 4 that was maybe $14, $16, yeah, give or take. This one is a Voline, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. And I paid about 12 bucks for that on Amazon. This one's rated at 250 lumens. This is rated at 350 lumens. And this is rated at about 1,000 lumens. And that's all rated by the manufacturers themselves, not by any independent testing lab. So let's turn the light down, and I've got fresh batteries in all of them. They're rechargeable batteries, and they all have a fresh charge. And I'm not going to get into battery or anything like that. I'm going to put each one of them on high, brightest, and I'm going to shoot them just right up against the wall there. So, okay, here it is. The one on the left is the first one that I bought at Costco, rated at 250 lumens. The one in the middle is the Duracell that I bought at Costco, rated at 350 lumens. The one on the right, the squarish one, is the new one that I just bought that's rated at 1,000 lumens. So I will let you draw your own conclusions, but I'm going to add one thing, which I'm not sure if it's going to show up on the camera or not, but to my naked eye, or my eye, the one on the left is brighter than the middle one, and obviously both of them are brighter than the one on the right. So what is the conclusion? The conclusion is basically you cannot believe anything that anybody claims, any manufacturer claims, as far as how many lumens, 200, 300, 500, 1,000, 5,000, I don't know, whatever. It's all a bunch of baloney. You just have to buy it or test it or look at it to see which one's brighter. Give me a thumbs up if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. And be safe, have fun. Froggy out. Bye-bye.